Hi guys, it's Tracy with Stampin' Away with Tracy, and I want to show you this cute little card and how to create it. It's very simple, and we're going to use some of that beautiful patterned paper that you have. We're going to cut it up and we're going to use it, and you're going to be, really amazed at how easy it is to use both sides. And we put in a little embossing folder. We're going to be using the Painted Texture 3D embossing folder. And it's really kind of whimsical, and the lines are undefined. It kind of looks like paint splashes. I really like that. So that's what we've used on that. We're using terracotta tile cardstock, terracotta tile ink. And I'm going to show you how we emboss directly on this cardstock. All you do is take your embossing folder and put it in here like this, and close down your embossing folder. Bring your paper down just a little bit, and you just close it in like this and run it through your Stampin' Cut emboss machine. Look how easy that was. Very simple. And if you don't want to do a bunch of layers, you want to use your embossing folder right on your card base, you certainly can do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to set our finished card aside because we're going to create another one. What we're going to do is we're going to get our multi-purpose liquid glue, and we're going to go ahead and put just a little bit down on this cardstock. So this is going to just not be as seen. So you can decide on which side of your patterned paper, your designer series paper is what Stampin' Up! Calls it, you want up, and which on the first layer and what on the second. And this is how I chose to do this. So we're going to add a little multi-purpose liquid glue. You know I like that because I got to have a little wiggle room. I got to get it just right. So we're going to turn it over, and we're going to get it even, just like this. Really, really simple. That's basically the entire card, guys. Now, what you can do is you can add your embellishment that you like. I really need Thinking of You. So I picked out the Old Olive. So just pick out a coordinating color in the paper. And you're going to do I'm Thinking of You. Now, this paper is in the, I can't find my catalog. It is actually in the mini catalog. And if you'd like a mini catalog from Stampin' Up! And you don't have one, you don't have your own demonstrator, click the link below and I'd love to send you one. And I've been looking at it diligently today, and I guess I've misplaced it. So if you'd like one, I'm happy to send you one. And this is the Floral Arts paper, but this would work with any of your paper. So we're going to turn this I'm Thinking of You over, and we're going to add our mini Stampin' Dimensionals on the back because I wanted to give it a little bit of dimension. I want to make it a little special, and I think when you pop something up, it does. Now, if you're like me, you want to get the backs off of that, get your Take-A-Pick tool and just pick them off like this. It's really easy and quick. And there you go. Now, turn over your sentiment, and you can actually put it anywhere you want. And I'm going to put it right there. So there you go. That is probably, I don't want to say this was a 3-minute card. It might have been a little more than 3 minutes. But there you go. I hope you all have enjoyed the video. I hope it gives you some great ideas. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe and the notifications so that you'll be notified when I upload a video. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.